Hey everyone, let's take a look at this house over on the northeast side of Jacksonville up towards Amelia Island. This is going to be a real nice one. Very nice looking house. Looks like they've redone the shingles, some of the outside. You got the well right here in a small building. Nice paved road coming in, quiet, a little bit off towards the side. Very good looking front staircase here going in. Now, most people think of a mobile home, they're a little disappointed in them. This one here has been remodeled. I think you'll be impressed. So you step in, nice, large, wide open space. Right now they're currently using this front area as an office. You could possibly put a dining room there, but very good looking family room area, living space. You got a nice wood burning fireplace in here. Now you don't need to use that front area as a dining room because this one actually does have a dedicated area for the dining room. Very nice the way they have this set up. Obviously this is staged, and staging does help on a house. Let's look at the kitchen. Nice granite countertops, very unique style of shelving. Now those are just 30-inch cabinets, but they look really, really nice. You could always go up to the 42-inch on cabinets on certain areas, but it does have a lot of storage space here. Good looking countertop, good looking cabinets, stainless steel stove. Let's put this stainless steel stove. You have a stainless steel dishwasher and a stainless steel refrigerator. I'm not seeing a microwave, but it wouldn't be that hard to try and put one, even if you put it on a shelf or something else like that, or even over here or something. Just something simple. It has a basic sink, but that's the worst thing I could say about this kitchen. For a mobile home, this is actually looking really good for what you have as a kitchen. Even has a good, nice pantry area where you can store a lot of food. I like the fact that it has a lot of counter space and it has a lot of closet spaces. I don't think it needs to be adjusted there, but that's okay. A couple screws, a little area there to fix it. But it's still very nice looking place here. And you can see nice pass-through. So if you're in here working, you can still see the TV. Say like you got a sporting event on or a movie or entertaining some people, you still have a place to do that. So let's swing on the other side here. They did exactly what I would do, which is put a couple bar stools here, or stools, and you have this open counter space. So you could utilize this as like a breakfast area to eat instead of having to go through and use the dedicated dining room area. Or if you have more than enough people, you'd still have a place to have them sit. So very attractive look to what this is. I'm liking the style of this. And this is not a newer mobile home. This has been updated. But still, I mean, they've done a really good job with the paint. I like the wainscoting along the bottom here. Nice chair rail. They did a good job with the way that it looks. Of course, people staged it very nicely. Definitely get the fireplace taken a look at because it looks like it's been used. So, even going into the master bedroom, good sized master bedroom, and obviously the bed is starting to have issues, but that's part of the staging. Don't worry about it. This is part of the quality of the house. So, going into the bathroom, the master bath, you got a nice shower, you got the double sink. This doesn't look like it's Corian or anything else. It looks like it's just kind of like tile work, but it almost looks like it's just been laminated over. But still, I mean, you got upgraded lights a little bit. Decent mirrors, two places to stand. Got the nice tub, of course, toilet. Good looking mirror. It's got a lot of light in here. And then a nice sized walk-in closet also. I mean, this is a pretty good sized space. That goes almost all the way back. So, I mean, if you're looking along here, it goes all the way back. So you have a shower space there. You're gonna have that same type of space here. So really good looking area here. The toilet's been updated. The counter's been updated. They didn't do a great job with their painting, but that's okay. You could always go back. That could be something you can do on your own. So let's go back and see the other two bedrooms back this way. It's nice and cool in here today. The air conditioner is a Carrier. Looking very clean. Little squeaky door there. This is going to be your laundry room. And you got a space for washer and dryer, extra paint here. Little storage space. I do see a little bit of humidity on the window there, but that's okay. Looks like this bathroom has been updated also. Newer countertop, newer cabinet, nice looking lights. The shower's been updated a little bit. Toilet looks like it's been updated. And then we go into the 2 spare bedrooms. This is a decent sized bedroom. It's probably a 10 by 10. Now remember, I'm guessing on that. Nice walk-in closet. And then you got almost an identical room here. Another 10 by 10. Not quite as big of a closet. The flooring here is like a wood tile or wood style of the LPV flooring, and then of course you got the carpets in the bedrooms. So let's head out the back door. Now the only thing to me, now I understand I love nature, but the only thing to me, you don't really have very much cleared out space for your backyard. So it is a little disappointing as to what you can have back here, because your septic tank is going to be here in the backyard, because your well is going to be in the front. And of course you see the little thing here just past where you have the antenna for the DirecTV. You have the little pump monitor there for your backflow for the sump pump for the septic. So your septic tank is going to be right back here, so you're not really going to be able to do a lot of extra stuff back here, but you could clear out a little bit more of the bushes here, a little bit more of the foliage, utilize this a little bit better. You have a nice small decking area here. Obviously we've had some wind lately, so you got some tree branches and stuff coming down. I apologize for that. Nice sliding glass door that goes right back into where the dining room is. I don't know if you can see it through the window there. See if we can get it to shade out. So that kind of goes back in towards where your dining room is there. Looks like they've even done some painting on the outside, because the little light there has been taken care of. And there's the Carrier air conditioner. So overall, I'm a little impressed on the interior of the property. It is a redo of the property. It looks like it's been remodeled. So with that being said, obviously check to make sure all the permits and everything else is done on any property you get into. Make sure you do your home inspection, do your due diligence. But this one here is looking really nice the way they have it set up. I like the floor plan on it. And if you want to know more information about it, contact me today. Thanks for watching.